Welcome, friends so dear, to Toonriesrhyme. We're glad you're here.
In the ocean blue so deep, where sparkly secrets softly sleep, live Dolly, Dolphin, shiny and bright, who love to jump in morning light. Come and play, she chirped with cheer, wiggling fins from ear to ear. She twirled and spun in bubbly rings, tickling fish with gentle flings. A tiny turtle swam in slow. Oh, Dolly dear, I can't go fast, you know. Dolly giggled, flipped around, then softly swam close to the ground. Slow or fast, we play the same. Ocean fun is not a race or game. Suddenly splashy seal clapped loud, doing tricks to wow the crowd. He balanced high on a shiny shell, then tumbled down, kerplunk, and fell. Dolly gasped, oh dear, oh my. She zoomed beneath the sunny sky. Are you okay? She asked with care, blowing bubbles in the air. Seal popped up with laughing bark. I'm fine! That flip just missed the mark. From coral reef came starfish Sue, waving arms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2. She sang a song in wiggly rhyme, keeping ocean friends in time. They danced beneath the shining rays, in swirling, sparkling, splashy plays. But then small crab felt left behind, scuttling sideways, feeling shy. Dolly noticed, kind and wise, with gentle heart